it's lunchtime. It's hot. It's hot as hell. But I'm just out here getting some freaking grub. Going to Chick-fil-A today. Because I'm hungry. Sorry about that. Put it in the gear. Okay. Hold on for 1 second. Hi, can I just get a spicy chicken deluxe sandwich?
Of course, and I'm so sorry. Your bike didn't pick up on the speaker.
Oh, no, it's fine.
Do you want pepper jack cheese?
Yeah, please.
Okay, anything else?
No, thank you.
Okay, that's $4.30 at the window.
Sweet, thank you. Nice, I didn't know that's how it worked. Oh, there's like a little dinger bell. But I guess I gotta hear for noise. Hey.
Like that.
Thank you. Oh, it's a microphone.
You're kidding.
Yeah, so it's kind of hooked up in the inside of my helmet.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Is that the silver 3
yeah,
plus?
Just a 3 silver.
Okay, that's
yeah.
The same one.
Oh yeah, it's pretty cool. Yeah.
Yeah, they are. Awesome, man.
Yeah, thank you. 4:30. 4:30.
Have a great day.
Thank you very much. And off we go. Every day I spend my time. I'm gonna go. Fuck this guy. Ugh, my feet are getting all weird. I hate that. God, get a job, dude. I know for a fact Walmart's hiring. I know for a fact Walmart will hire anybody. I hate that. If I ever get to a point where I have to freaking beg. God, that sucks. Freaking put Lauren to work. Shoot. Just kidding, Lauren. Oh, man. Another beautiful day. Another beautiful day. Where the hell is my music? Dude, I really want to move down here. Mainly, everything is around here. Oh yeah, I'm wearing my leather. Everything. Target, Walmart. Did I burn my clutch? What the hell? In-N-Out Burger, Best Buy, freaking Mattress Firm. Everything you need. Oh shoot. Someone's dead. What is that smell? Yeah. Yeah, I spend my time for the Route 21. Walmart, Sam's Club. Oh shit. Oh. Got an airport right here. They got everything, man, everything. Oh, that's that person who was parked right next to me. That's tight. That's tight. See, you got Sears. You literally have everything you need. Radio Shack. You know there's a Radio Shack around. All as well. I got my bank like right down the street. My work is right there. There's a Cinemark, dude. There's freaking everything around here. Look at that. I don't know. I really like it down here. It's just a whole new, like, a whole different kind of way of life. Badass Vespa. I got the, man, see, Cinemark. There's like a little shopping mall right here. You got Nike factory. You got a whole bunch of that goodness, man. Whole bunch. Everything. Thinking about it, I'll probably want to buy soon, but maybe we'll hold off for another 2 years. I'm saying a year, but maybe we'll hold off for another 2 years before we finally decide to buy. But we're definitely moving down here because it is fucking nice. There's a Hampton Inn for whenever one gets mad at me. Right across from work. Oh God. God, this is a beautiful day. I want to ride some more. I don't need love no more. No more for sure. I'll be fine sipping wine. Park right here. Whoop, whoop. Okay. Uh-oh. There we go.